Hi everyone from Toronto. I'm at the Windsor Arms Hotel and I'm here at the Toronto Film Festival, and it's been a really long day. We flew in on an early flight. There was a lot of delays, a lot of transit time, and we had a super long but productive day. And I just took a shower, washed my hair, and I just wanted to, walk you through my nighttime skincare routine when I'm traveling. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I love to do is I love to use a face mist. So after I've cleansed and washed my face, step 2 is face mist. So I love a good face mist. This one is Biosense. I believe it's the squalene micronutrients. It's replenishing, hydrates, and balanced skin, but more than anything, it has a very lovely rose scent that I love. So while that kind of sinks into my skin and neutralizes my skin, I always like to use an exfoliator. So for me, the 2% BHA gel is a good maintenance one. I don't like to use anything too crazy before I have to go on camera or do a shoot or anything like that. So this is the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA gel. I've been using it for I want to say 4 years now. And it's, relatively inexpensive. Paula's Choice always has some kind of sale. And I just kind of use it in areas where I know I would be prone to breakout. So usually that's my T-zone and my chin area. I really believe in zoning your skin and treating it where the treatment needs to be. While that's drying, I'm going to use an eye cream. I've used so many eye creams, and they've from really super expensive to just CeraVe, and I really like Rock. So this one is the one I'm using right now. I believe it's I want to say less than $15 on Amazon, and this has a bit of retinol in it, and it helps to moisturize as well as reduce the wrinkles around the eyes, dark circles, and puffiness. But I will say that it does keep the eyes hydrated, and I do wake up looking more awake. So I just kind of take that all around my eye, just super gently, nothing crazy, and that's it. So any excess product, I always kind of take it down the backs of my hands. And that's just something I've been doing for years. So that's a great trick to never waste any of your product. So next up is serum, and this is the Dr. Dennis Gross Ferulic and Retinol Brightening Solution. But I like to use this because for me it's quite mild since I've been using it for a while. And it does do a really good job at keeping my skin really bright and radiant. So I just kind of take it a little bit down the neck and décolleté as well. After that, the last step is really just an oil. I like to use Moroccan oil. This is cold press, and it's just really affordable, and it works. So I use 2 pumps for my face, and I just kind of press it into my skin. Just keeps the skin hydrated and glowy, and you really wake up with really nice skin. Another thing I like to do is I just take some and I run it through my brows just to keep them nice and conditioned and hydrated. And then of course 2 pumps down my face, down my neck and décolleté as well. So I press that in, and the back of my neck, don't forget. And then the very last step is to use a lip balm. I have a travel size Jurlique one that I quite like. So I'm just gonna undo that, take a little bit, and just dab it onto your lips. And that's it. That's my skincare regime for nighttime traveling and having a long day, and then making sure to wake up tomorrow looking super revitalized and refreshed. I hope that you found this video helpful. I personally love watching Get Ready With Me in bathrooms and like learning about people's skincare regimens and how they go about doing things. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, give my videos a thumbs up, and I have all my products listed down below. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All my social channels are below. Have a great one. Bye.